My name is Acacia. I'm from Newcastle and my mob's Warramai, so I'm from the Port Stephens region. I joined the program with my friends just to expand my knowledge and to see if anything like the Air Force or Navy will interest me. The best part of the day for me was definitely the dog handler, seeing how they train their dog and just getting my questions answered. I want to take back to my school and community, especially my Aboriginal community, that there are jobs out there for us and there are inclusive space, so just get out there, even if it's never crossed your mind being a part of Air Force or medical, anything like that. Just get out there, give it a go. If it doesn't fit, then it doesn't fit, but definitely give it a crack and take in all that you can get.